Well, getting this honor means a lot to me, and especially that I was able to meet so many other people after a long, long time and all the athletes. So it was also a moment of inspiration for me, meeting everyone and sharing our thoughts with each other, and meeting PT Usha ma'am after again a long time, and Mansukh sir. It was really good, and well, out of there had been a long training session going on past couple of weeks, I would say. So it was a very refreshing moment for me. Yeah.
You've been training for the past few weeks, as you just mentioned.
So last time I took break was before a couple of weeks. So this is after a long time.
This is actually exactly how you're looking forward to important events coming up, especially the Asian Games next year. How are you looking forward to the upcoming tournaments and nations next year?
So definitely we have all the events in our minds, and we are preparing for everything as much as we can. I'm working really hard. So is my team and the entire shooting team as well. We are working really, really hard. I would say that OGQ has been the sole supporter for me in this journey. So definitely that I have Asian Games, World Championship, Olympic Games, everything in my mind, but I like to take one thing at a time. So right now I'm focusing on how my performance is going to be next month, and we are training for that. And yes, we are positive. Let's see how it goes.
So I'm so happy that IOA could do this, for the players, because I think it's the first time so much of appreciation and the facilitation is given by IOA, and I'm so happy that others got cash awards, and I'm happy that now the government, Indian Olympic Association, and Association Sports Authority of India, and all going in one line, and it is good for sports. So I'm very happy.
Ma'am, the bronze medalists, they got 50 lakhs and the silver medalist was 25 lakhs, but the hockey team getting each get 10 lakhs was...
Actually, when we were announcing, it was actually we multiplied, then it has to be 5 only, but today we made it 10. But this is the just start. But next time when we do, we wanted to support players more on.
Also,
we will do more.
Also on the Commonwealth, Asian Games, a lot of things are coming. So how big a motivation factor it will be for today, for the years that is packed next year?
Yeah, it will be, because we want to support players for more Asian Games also, and even for the Olympics, Commonwealth Games, everything we want support, and we want to support the State Olympic Association. We want to support, and we want to support all associations. Everything we want to support, and we have lot of ideas in our mind, and I think now we are all going in one line, so we will be able to do good for sports.
Any idea that you can please share? Any idea that you have any future plans? You talked about ideas.
That is what we are saying now. Bahrain Youth Games, 222 athletes are participating, and now we have organized the swimming competition, and I think for first time we are winning lot of medals, and weightlifting championship we have organized, and para world we have organized, Asian world championship we are going to organize in athletics. Lot of competition we are going to organize now. It is all for players only. When we do the competition like this, and players get chance to participate, and they'll be able to get a medal also. So
how hopeful you are for earning the bid for Commonwealth 2030 as well as Olympics?
Hope, because this is all I cannot say now, but everything went on good, and we hope positive. We hope that we'll be able to get. So it will be decided next month.
मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में देश बदल रहा है, देश आगे बढ़ रहा है और नया भारत का निर्माण हो रहा है। देश का स्पोर्ट्स सेक्टर भी एक नया इतिहास बना रहे हैं। आज इंटरनेशनल टूर्नामेंट में देश सफलता पा रहा है, हमारा एथलीट विजेता होके आ रहा है। आपने देखा होगा लास्ट वीक में भारत में वर्ल्ड पैरा एथलेटिक्स चैंपियनशिप हुई, सफलतापूर्वक आयोजन पूर्ण हुआ और उसमें भारत 1 से 10 क्रम में 22 मेडल के साथ रहे। वैसे ही ओलंपिक्स में भी देश अच्छा प्रदर्शन कर रहा है। आज हमारे 6 ओलंपिक्स मेडलिस्ट को सम्मानित करा गया और हमारे एथलीट को तैयार करने वाले कोच को भी सम्मानित करा गया। मैं आज इतना अवश्य कह सकता हूं कि देश के ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन, फेडरेशन, सरकार और कॉरपोरेट सेक्टर सब लोग तालमेल से एक दूसरे के सहयोग से स्पोर्ट्स सेक्टर को आगे बढ़ा रहा है। आने वाले दिनों में मुझे पूरा विश्वास है भारत स्पोर्ट्स सेक्टर में आने वाले ओलंपिक्स में, आने वाले एशियन गेम्स में, आने वाले कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस करेगा और देश स्पोर्ट्स सेक्टर में नया इतिहास लिखेगा।